Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make some outfit fashion photos. I'm going to tell you and show you today what I do and what I have learned in 2020 on how to make great outfit photos at home and what do you need to shoot some really cool fashion outfits and videos for your Instagram or blog. Without further ado, let's get into the video. In order to shoot really cool outfit photos at home, you are going to need sunlight. It can be daylight. To be quite honest, I prefer daylight, but right now, today, it's really bad, dark day, so I'm using my ring light. You can buy some more professional ones, you can buy some really simple ones on Amazon. I'm going to link all the products down below so you can check them out. First, ring light or any light, as I told you. You'll obviously need some camera to shoot with. Either it's your phone or you have actual camera, so that one. Then you need something to mount your phone on, to put your phone on, some sturdy surface. It can be either tripod. I have this like kind of really big tripod with the ring light already together. I have also a tripod which is like separate. I have small tripods as well which can work as selfie sticks and you can just throw it in your bag. And I have POPMOUNT that I'm like obsessed with. It's my favorite from all. It's like so easy to use. I'm going to tell more about that in details in the further in the video, but POPMOUNT is some modern Gen Z stuff you need to have. Then remote really helps. Obviously you can put timer on, as we all OGs do. But to be quite honest, remote really makes it like so much better, easier, fast. Then you need to think about where you want to shoot your photos. What do you want to use? Either you want to do it in sofa or you have some special cute like maybe corner with, I don't know, some palm tree or some really cool aesthetics maybe that you want to include. My apartment is pretty small, it's pretty simple. I prefer to just use white wall. I always need to push away from the wall my table, for example. That sometimes happens, so therefore I suggest you to use just one whole day to shoot all your outfit photos for like a month, for example. And then last but not least, obviously cute clothing that you want to promote and show off in these photos. Now, I bought this Adidas shirt and Adidas pants as well like long time ago, and I have wanted to give them a special kind of moment. When you're shooting outfit or fashion photos, it doesn't matter even if those are flat lays or like close-ups or those are whole body photos, you want to think about what you want to pay attention to. Either it is yourself, your face, either it is logo or it's some special split in the side, for example, in the skirt. Then obviously you want to try out different cute positions. Let's take these photo shoots that we do at home as like kind of a test and practice for you, because taking practice and positions, like different positions for photos, it's going to make you feel more comfortable, more natural when you are going to shoot outside, when someone else is going to shoot your photos. Your impatient boyfriend, for example, taking just 1-2 photos, you're going to just be already in your position because you know you look cute in that position. Also just try out for fun. Usually I also like, there's so many photos that don't go live ever just because there is some funny weird face expressions or smiles or natural or something that I don't like that people see, but I do them anyways because some of them sometimes do come out really cute. Some smile ones, some really natural ones, maybe some just funny ones that I can add like some nice funny caption, for example, on. So just play around because you did all the hard work. You put your makeup on, you did your hair, you pushed the table away. Just making 5 more expressions, not going to harm anyone, but it can give you some new content and even more posts. We are back after our photo shoot, and let's talk about this little pink monster. I'm so obsessed. I just right now want to even go to my closest park and shoot the photos with this. Mostly I will say that this pop mount is perfect for influencers, for beginners who doesn't want to buy a huge cameras, huge equipment, still huge tripods and so on. So you can get this small cute pop mount you put in your bag. I'm always with you. This is perfect for traveling. If you travel around, if you go from one house to another house a lot, it's just really perfect because you can mount it everywhere you want. It's also perfect if you normally don't have who to take photos with you. I usually go alone make my photos, therefore this is like perfect for me. Other thing I'm definitely going to use it is when I go with my partner for hiking trips, camping trips, like just in travel in general. It's so easy to mount this on everywhere. You can mount it even on branch trees. You can mount it basically everywhere, on table, on floor, on your furniture. You can even hang it somewhere if you need, like in your bathroom, in your kitchen. I know you're checking recipe maybe or anything. You can hang it, you can wrap it around branches. Just everywhere you can imagine, you can mount this small thing. You can like hold it in your hands, so it's like easier also and more sturdy if you're making videos, for example. These things are like, first I got pop socket. I always thought like what it's for, like I don't get it, and now I get it. It's so easier to hold your phone. But I noticed that sometimes when I use my phone a lot when I'm in the kitchen, the phone doesn't get dirty or wet. They're just those small things that you don't notice until you actually start using it, and then you understand, oh yeah, it actually does help quite a lot. You need to get like pop socket from anywhere you want, but I do have a discount code and you can get with your discount your pop socket and your pop mounts. Check it out down below. You can also get a custom pop socket I have like with my pet on. You can get with pets on or in anything you want. You don't need to hold it when you are calling your mom, for example. Even in the kitchen, like when you are cooking and you're having a call with someone or some party or anything, like or online. That's it for the video. I hope you got some ideas. Let me know if you want this, if you are going to buy this, and what color you choose. Just comment down below everything you want to let me know about this topic. And see you guys next time. Bye!